Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you are a fantasy loving e reader girly, then you are going to love this sling bag.
This is just one design from NCRJCZQL. And this crossbody sling bag has everything that you are looking for, from the most beautiful print on the front to a changeable strap where you can go one side or the other. And the strap itself is just so beautiful. But the inside has really generous pockets as well as a card slot. And it actually has a really neat thing where you can remove the middle with Velcro. So you can store so many things in this cute little compact bag. It's the perfect thing for travel or running errands. And I love that I can keep my e reader on me at all times, which is a necessity.
I'm so obsessed with the print on this bag, but I also love how it is the perfect thing to carry all of the things that I need, including my e reader. It is the perfect bag, and you should get one for yourself or someone you love. And that's my point of view.